Niko hapa JKIA, and I want to speak this. Yesterday I had Davis Chirichiri, the CS of Transport. It's like these people are determined to auction this country, to auction this JKIA totally 100%. And they know once they confuse the Kenyans, then they know that they come in the parliament, it's going to be a walkover. Because they have taken over the parliament, they have monopolized the parliament. That's what they know. I was so surprised with the interview of Davis Chirichiri. And this is what led to the Gen Z, where the revolution was to come and happen in this country. I want to tell the President of the Republic of Kenya, Mheshimiwa William Ruto, that we respect you, but learn to listen from the Kenyans. Wewe ukisema ya kwamba ati hii airport unataka kuilease for another 30 years. 30 years, hata 30 years wakina nando hao watu wengi, mimi nitakuwa mzee na wajukuu. Na so let us be, alafu mnataka compare yourself with the one for the expressway. Will you explain to our children that we leased JKIA that was built by our forefathers, our leaders, kina Jomo Kenyatta, kina Kibaki, kina Moi of this country, And even Uhuru Kenyatta, he built the terminals. Look at how beautiful it was. Look at the entrance the other side. And you want just to auction everything. We want to say this, mtuambie ndege gani ambayo imekataa haiwezi land hapa? Obama landed here, and many presidents of the nation of the world landed here at the here JKIA. Mtuambie ni nini ambayo, kwa sababu mmesema you don't want to start a new airport. Mnataka tu kuimprove nini? Mnataka kuimprove hapa technology, ni kitu unafanya hivi. Kama wanataka new airport, waende Kota City, waende Kajiado, wajenge kule international airport ambayo we can even say we have our engineers, architects, they can bring and modify. Angalia ile, you cannot compare na hii ya express, because expressway ilibuildiwa a new project. Even Kenyans can say that this is a new. But sasa mnataka kuweka viraka alafu mtuambie ati mmesha sasa leta ati kujenga. Bwana, hiyo maneno tunataka kuambia kwamba Kenyans are watching, and Kenyans will not forgive us if we the people, if we the leaders, we are going to accept this nonsense that is going to happen here. Kwanza Wahindi ndio watu wengine okay, I don't know even what to do. Wakikuja hapa wanakuja na 70% of their people, they will be here at the JKIA. Where will our people go? So I want to stand in solidarity with the other Kenyans. That nonsense that they are speaking about, we are not going to accept it. We are not going to accept. Na hii maneno hii italeta shida hii Kenya. If they are going to do and try ati Adani kusign deal, hatuwezi kuwa na nchi ya sijini brokers. India yes buildiwa na brokers everywhere, every department brokers. You have to sign a deal, kula pesa, and no way. Ni nini ambacho kuja sell that we have achieved? Hapana, hiyo tumekataa.